Hey guys, and welcome to Get Set Embedded with 2fco.com. So in this video we are going to talk about Arduino tutorials, that is #1. So this is the very first video where we are going to talk about the Arduino internals and many more things. So before we start this video, all I wanted to say is please go and check the previous videos of this series, that is Get Set Embedded, and you can find the link to those videos up there. So the most important videos before this videos were like what are embedded systems, and second, the prerequisites to learn embedded system. So without wasting any time, let's move to the agenda of this video. So in this video we are going to talk about these three important points. Number 1, what is microcontroller? Number 2, which microcontroller present on Arduino board? Number 3, where to find the data sheet and pin diagram for microcontroller present on Arduino board. So before we talk about any of the other points, the very important point is to talk about what is microcontroller. So as you can see on the screen, a microcontroller unit or MCU is a small computer on a single metal oxide semiconductor integrated circuit chip. So it is a small computer that is present on a single MOS IC. So the IC, that black IC that you can see on your Arduino board, is also a semiconductor, and the name of that black IC is Atmega 328P, and I'm talking about Arduino Uno here. So let's talk more about the microcontroller. So in modern technology, it is similar but less sophisticated than a system on chip, a SoC. So a MOS is a small version of an SoC, because a SoC may include microcontroller as one of its components. So a microcontroller contains these three basic things, that is a microprocessor, then input-output ports, and few important peripherals like timers, counters, and few more peripherals that are not present in your microprocessor. So that way a microcontroller is better than a microprocessor. And then in the modern technology comes the term that is SoC, a system on chip, where we have a microcontroller and many other things that are important for your own system. So a microcontroller may contain one or more CPUs, that is one or more processor cores, along with memory and programmable input-output peripherals. So now we'll talk about which microcontroller present on Arduino board. So most Arduino board consist of an Atmel 8-bit AVR microcontroller. So AVR is a famous architecture for microcontroller, and most of the Arduino boards contain Atmel 8-bit AVR microcontrollers. So your most famous Arduino, that is your Arduino Uno board, contain Atmega 328P, and each of these microcontrollers have different specifications, and they vary on the amount of flash memory pins and configuration they have. So the most used Arduino board is Arduino Uno that we are going to use in this series. So let's see where we can find the data sheets and pin diagram. So for that you need to go to Google and then search for Atmega 328P datasheet. And the very first link that you will find for this is from microchip.com. So you can directly go there, or you can write PDF along with your search, and then you can get a PDF document for Atmega 328P datasheet. So your datasheet is a very important part, and in the next videos we are going to talk about how to use data sheets to write codes for your Arduino board in embedded C. So then we'll check out how to find the pin out and pin configuration. So for that you need to go to Google and search for pin out diagram of Arduino. So you can search for pin diagram of Arduino Uno Atmega 328P, and then you will find, then you can go to the image section and can see a diagram on arduino.cc. So all you need to do is to click on this diagram, and here you can find how various pins that you can find on your Arduino board, like from A0 to A5 or digital pin 0 to digital pin 13, are being internally mapped to various other pins, and these internally mapped pin mappings would be used further while we will program our Arduino using Atmega AVR libraries and Embedded C. So see you in the next lecture. Oh, hope you like this lecture. And at the end, all I wanted to say is, a wise man can learn more from a foolish question than a fool can learn from a wise answer. So try asking foolish questions from yourself, and maybe soon you will learn something that you may not have learned if you kept quiet. So never hesitate asking any foolish questions. So please put in the comment box if you have any questions, and stay tuned to our channel if you want to watch the new videos related to embedded tutorial series, that is #2, where we are going to talk about how to read datasheet. So please stay tuned to our channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So that's all. Thank you.